Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the YouTube battery and test in the POCO X3 device. As you can see here, I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone, and let's see how much time it actually takes to drain the POCO X3 device while watching the YouTube videos. And here I got the stopwatch study as well. And recently, I did upload a video on the time taken to charge the POCO X3 while watching YouTube videos. So if you did not check that video, try to check the links in description for that playlist. So there is a playlist available for the POCO X3. You can find so many interesting videos, even for this kind of good looking wallpapers as well, what I installed right now here. So let's get started with the YouTube test. The condition is that I'll be using with a Wi-Fi connection, earphones plugged in, and with full brightness turned on. So full brightness and 1080 videos I'll be streaming continuously. And here I got the stopwatch ready as well. So I'll try to record the video after playing for 1 hour, 2 hours and 3 hours and 4 hours. So in that way I'll try to record every 1 hour. Let's see how much the battery will get dropped for each and every hour in this POCO X3 smartphone. So as you can clearly see, friends, I'm using with a 1080 resolution, and let me try to keep the full screen, the YouTube application, and change the brightness to the full brightness mode here. Right now I changed to the full brightness, as you can clearly see, and let me disconnect the charging cable and start the stopwatch. So let's see, friends, for the first 1 hour how much battery will get drained in the POCO X3 device while watching YouTube videos. I already did a PUBG battery drain test as well, so try to check that videos, links in description for the PUBG battery drain test as well. So in this video we'll get to know the YouTube battery draining as well in the POCO X3 device. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 1 hour how much the battery will get decreased, and let me try to check the temperature as well, how much it is. 26, 27. So let me see after 1 hour how much the temperature will be also there. So right now you can see, friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously playing the YouTube at full brightness. As you can see, full brightness decided to play. So let me try to show you the battery percentage. So after 1 hour with the full brightness, the battery decreases to 9%. So that means there is a 9% decreased. So 91 overall the battery percentage is off, and temperature is also pretty cool. So there is nothing, no issues with the temperature while watching this kind of videos in the YouTube. So only the issue was while playing the PUBG alone. So in the full brightness and using the 4G data, the temperature increased to 47 degrees in the PUBG gameplay. So which I did a video on that one as well. So try to check that video if you are interested regarding the PUBG in the POCO X3 smartphone. So I'll try to continue this test again 1 more hour. So let's see in the next 1 hour how much the battery will decrease while watching the YouTube in full brightness mode. So as you can see, friends, it's been exactly 2 hours of continuously non-stop playing the YouTube in full brightness mode. So let's check the battery percentage, how much it is right now. As you can see, it's 80% at the moment. So after 2 hours of continuously playing the YouTube test, and I'll continue for 1 more hour, and let's see in the next hour how much the battery will get decreased, and we can calculate overall estimation of time, how much time you can play the YouTube videos continuously in this POCO X3 device. So depending on that graph we can estimate. So till now it was going okay. I think for every 1 hour 10% of battery will be dropping if you are using full brightness. So if you use 50% brightness, the results might be different. That I will do in separate video, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So I'll plan 50% brightness in another video. So right now I'll continue only with the 100% in this test. So let's see in the 100% how much the phone can actually get, and make sure to check the recently uploaded videos in my channel by following me regularly. As you can see, you can find so many interesting videos on the POCO X3 device. Check the playlist as well. So again I'll be back after some time, like close to one hour. So let's see in the 3 hours how much the battery will get drained. So overall, friends, with 3 hours continuously playing the YouTube in the POCO X3 device with a full brightness, as you can clearly see, let me try to show you the brightness. You can see here with full brightness I'm trying to play from the beginning always. Let me try to show you the battery percentage, how much it is. 72%. So overall, friends, we can estimate that the phone can easily last close to 10 to 12 hours of continuously YouTube playing, even with the full brightness mode turned on. So one thing you need to remember, this with the Wi-Fi connection only, not with the 4G data. So this with the Wi-Fi connection. So thank you for watching this video, friends. For more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And this test I'll try to disconnect right now, because I got to do so many videos on the POCO X3 device in terms of so many features, explaining whether there is any call recording or not, how is the notification light, how is the loudspeaker. There are so many videos I need to cover, and make sure to follow regularly the playlist of the POCO X3 device, so where I'll be uploading so many videos in the POCO X3 smartphone. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.